Hello and Jumrip. Welcome to our Khmer Healthy Cooking. Today we're gonna make canned juice agar.
What the ingredient we use to make it?
The ingredient we have sugar cane juice, salt, agar powder, pure water.
How we make it?
First, mix sugar cane juice with pure water. Mix sugar cane juice with pure water. And then add the agar powder and salt. And stir until it dissolves and turning clearest. Now turn on the fire and stir it until boiling.
San, why you use sugarcane juice instead of white sugar?
Because it is a natural sugar. Now it's boiling, so keep stirring 1 minute and then turn off the fire. Now it's time to pour into a bowl. You can put into a flat tray, but for me, I'm put into a bowl. And left to set firm. Refrigerate when cool, but does not require refrigeration to set. I hope you will enjoy this video and try to make it by yourself. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and Jumrip.